Hi, welcome. It's Rebecca at Tecumseh Cabinet and Countertop. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about lighting and color and how important lighting is when you're picking out colors in your household. When we pick out paint colors, we go to the store, get ourselves a sample strip, and pick out what color we want. And oftentimes we'll get a little paint, put it on our wall, and see what we think it looks like and if it truly is the color that we want in our house. Why do we do that? Because we have such different lighting throughout the day in our house, and it can drastically change the color that we have and that we put in. And oftentimes it's not anything that we thought it would be. So similar to that, we also suggest that you do that with your cabinetry when you're picking out finishes for your cabinets. We will send you home with sample chips. Better than that, we suggest that you go just like you would with the paint chip, get a larger piece, order your door style with its finish, and bring it into your kitchen, bring it into your house, and make sure that that's truly the color that you want in all types of the day, all types of lighting. One of the tips and tricks that I have that I like to do, which is wonderful with our Pioneer cabinetry, because Pioneer will match Sherwin-Williams colors at the same cost that just a standard paint is if you're going with paints. So I will take that color and I will put it on a sheet and paint it and put it up against my wall. You want to make sure and use the same plane that you are using for your cabinetry so that that light, the same light hits it in the same levels. And then just test it out and see, is this truly the color that I'm looking for? Having a larger piece like a 8x10 is a much better opportunity for you to see all the light and what you really want. Make sure that's what you really want. These smaller pieces are fine, but it's just not the ideal situation. Doing it this way is a bit more cost effective than ordering a door. So that's one of the tips and tricks that I have for you. If you are having any design questions or color questions, please come down and see me at the showroom here. I'd love to have you, love to visit with you. Thanks, have a great day.